Hi, my name is Ben from Evolution AV. I want to talk about some of the installs we did at the 103 Street project, and we're starting here at the conference center. Some of the things that we did in this room is a large loft interactive display with an integrated audio system and an onboard PC for their use. This could be used for video conferencing, presentations, or any other work that the tenants want to use this facility for. Other rooms we have done in this area, they also boast two loft displays that can work in tandem or used separately into two different rooms. Below us is a large presentation area with a 15-foot screen and a large NEC projector. This could be used for any presentations that they have, and it also can be used adjacent to the tenant lounge. In the tenants lounge, the space boasts 3 large TVs with an audio system that's built right into the walls. It's a beautiful space. It's used for presentations. You can watch hockey games, relax, and it's available for all the tenants within this building. There is also a gym for the tenants to use. It boasts a spin class and a large workout room. What we've done in there are 2 large displays and an audio system for the tenants to enjoy. This was a huge project for us at Evolution AV. It was a pleasure to work with Epic Holdings on this project. For more information, please visit us at evolutionav.ca.